Let's go, nigga. And 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 let's go, nigga. One God, he got a belly, nigga. Yeah, I said I need this money. Nothing's getting in my way, baby. My G's is hungry. They said they out that gunplay, baby. I'm on my grind. Go ahead, excuse me a little bit. I've been doing this shit, man. You can see my gun spray, baby. For the money, I'll leave a nigga necklace. My BO say I'm crazy. Always speaking reckless in the spot with an AP, moving blocks like Tetris. And I always keep a burner clock on me like detectives. Then you gon' get it fast, you keep staring at my necklace. Got a belly go hard up on fans plus a guest list. I got this shit locked. Nigga, Detroit to Texas, near the mob trying to eat. Why you looking like breakfast? You don't really wanna beef, cause I'll leave a nigga breathless. Flow raw and aggressive. 19, I had a Lexus. I've been getting money, thank God for the blessing. Gucci Mane, Young Jeezy, Murder Mob, weed flexing. I'm driving while I'm texting. My weed Armageddon. She let me stick it in 2 hours and I'm jetting. If you don't like the squad, then you can keep stepping. We voted the best mob, like the streets at a Lexus. Nigga, I need this money. Nothing's getting in my way, baby. My G's is hungry. They say they bout that gunplay, baby. Okay, I'm on my grind. Y'all niggas see what we doing, man. These niggas gotta quit playing with me. Those niggas on that play, man. But we gonna go through this shit, cause I'm just fucking around. I'm gonna go through it a little bit, though. Yeah. See the pain in my eyes. See what I saw. Believe I'm the best. Know that I'm raw. Take heed what I say. Play the game hard. Cats dying every day. This life is so flawed. And these niggas fake like mannequin broads. Damn, this shit hard. Damn, I miss my dog. Damn, I got a law. My Emma's in charge. Oh man, they got a farm. I'm the Duke, no facade. They say, tell me what your life like. Dying is real. And beef bring death. Better blast the bill. Only sweet thing left is the Benjamin builders. Killed to be killed. I'm blasting my steel. Record labels wanna sign me. Said I'm taxing a mill. Cause some tell these niggas about me while your music is real. The rose got me pissy. I'm spitting your grill. All true religion teams never form in middles. We the murder mob gang trying to form a mill. And I can get your ass cooked. No form and grill. We the new black mafia. Sworn to kill. You just a new snitch watching us. Born to squeal. I'm just a few carrots rockier. Going to chill. Tool on my waistline. No hammer and drill. Fucker try to take mine. Then his blood gon' spill. This one he got a belly, I'm a problem for real. Yeah, see the pain in my eyes. See what I saw. Believe I'm the best. Know that I'm raw. Take heed what I say. Play the game hard. Cats dying every day. This life is so far. But these niggas fake like mannequin broads. Damn, this shit hard. Damn, I miss my dog. Damn, I got a law. My Emma's in charge. Oh, man, they got a problem. I'm the truth, no facade. It's the cousin of death. So I ain't wait for him to do it. I went and did it myself. Now these fucks mad at me. Got him calling the refs. There's no chess, not checkers. Questions, why did I left? I say it's better than all reasons with my talent itself. I either sit on the back burner, drop the album myself. They hated I outshine them. Guess it worked for the best. Plus my paper to start climbing. Paper plates on the vet. You homeless be off your line about your key success. You creeping up on the lion, trying to reason with death. Like a stove with no heat. You need fire the chef. With the squad on E, only quiet is kept. In the joint, killer seats, only one of them left. No burners, just bangers, homies fight to the death. Either grease in the microwave or catch a knife to the neck. Only time we ever speak unless one of us best. See the pain in my eyes, see what I saw. Believe I'm the best, know that I'm raw. Take heed what I say, play the game hard. Cats dying every day, this life is so flawed. And these niggas fake like mannequin broads. Damn, this shit hard. Damn, I miss my dog. Damn, I got a law. My Emma's in charge. Oh, man, they got a farm. I'm the truth, no facade.